Alright, we gotta get patties ready. Since these are just 5-frame nucs, we'll just have one ready for each. So, don't forget to put your hood on. Been there, done that. So, for a lot of you beginning backyard beekeepers, this is what you'll be doing. Early spring, usually in April. I think today is the first week of April, for the recording at least. So we're going to put this down here for now. And we've already prepared the box below. So we're going to put this on the ground, put the nuc down. We've already prepared this box, so I take the lid off, inner cover off. We've got 5 frames in here already. I'm going to take one out just so we have a little bit more space. We don't have to crush any of the bees. Then we'll take individual frames from this box, slowly let them in. I'm taking it off slowly so they don't all fly up into my pants. So I'll start on this side, good old J-hook. Like so. And this is honey resource frame, so that goes towards the outside. Brood. Lots of bees. I don't see any queen cells, so that's always good. We don't need to see the queen today. Relatively new frame. Lots of eggs all over this. This is kind of small in terms of its wax though. So I'll put that more towards the outside. There's more wax on this side. So we'll put it there. So one of the circumstances where I'll switch the position. Lots of brood, so they're going to have a lot of babies coming out. There's Queenie right there. Get her as close as I can. Hopefully it doesn't get too blurry. Alright. Put her in there. And then hopefully this has some pollen on it. It's got a good amount of honey on that side and brood on this side, so everything's looking good. There's our 5-frame inside of there. This has a good amount of wax on both sides. I'm going to put that near the frame that doesn't have quite as much, so it hopefully builds them up a little quicker. Alright, and that's it. No queen cups, no queen cells to worry about. So that was a really quick install. We saw the queen, I saw eggs. Everything's good to go. Got these 5 frames that used to be in here. I'm going to dump these bees out in the front. I'll fill this back up. And again, we know that we have the queen, so we don't have to worry about her being in here. I'll fill these with the other 5 frames and leave this out front. The bees will smell the queen and go inside. So these bees also, stack them off here. I almost forgot to put in the pollen patty. We're just going to lay that right across the top where all the brood is, like so. They'll eat through that in time. Later we'll come by and feed them. We don't have the sugar water right now, but that's the basic process. We'll leave this cracked just a little bit. And I typically like to put it on its side, like so. And then just make sure the water doesn't get in. Alright, we'll do the next one.